Hello everybody, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. Now, I just got my hands on the AMAZFIT T-Rex 2. This literally just came in the mail and I know it's actually quite late here in Malaysia. Let me just check the time. It is approximately 10:40. Okay, not that late, but I'm super excited to actually unbox this for the very first time. Now I know I'm actually quite late to the game. A lot of people have already received their T-Rex 2, but me personally, the reason why I was so excited is because, you know, as a G-Shock fan, I think that this AMAZFIT T-Rex 2 is looking even more and more like the G-Shocks. So on my hand here, I do have the AMAZFIT T-Rex Pro. This guy here looks very similar to the original T-Rex. But the T-Rex 2 here, guys, just takes it to the next level. So in today's video, we're just going to take a quick look at the unboxing. We're going to check out the watch, put it side by side with my favorite G-Shock up there and, just have a chill kind of look at this T-Rex 2. Now, just to go over a couple of key features here, you do have your dual band and 5 GNSS, the GPS systems. You have your low temperature operation. That's if you are staying somewhere really cold. You have your typical military grade, kind of toughness, and of course, you still have that ultra long battery life. Alright, we're just going to open this right now. We do have a very nice tab at the side. Up. What kind of tab is this if you can't pull it open? Alright, just going to use my, nails to pull this open and just check out the box. It looks very interesting in this, black and orange combination. Super excited, guys. Seriously, trust me. Alright, here we go. I guess we have another white box inside here. And we do. Alright, so new AMAZFIT logo on there. Not something we have not seen before. And woo! Wow, guys, this is amazing, guys. Look at this. Mine is the black and gold version. I'm not sure what the exact color is, but whoa, look at this, man. My goodness, guys, it looks so good. If you ever choose one color and you're just wondering which color to take, I strongly suggest you get this black and yellow. Oh my god. Okay, so we do have this AMAZFIT logo, very largely printed on the right. I would prefer it without that logo, and of course you have the T-Rex word here, to remind you that you have a T-Rex on your wrist. But yeah, the color combination is just amazing, guys. Alright, so I'm going to put it side by side with, like I said, my favorite G-Shock. And just look at how similar they actually look. Goodness, guys, I think if you are a G-Shock fan and you want to get like something the closest to a G-Shock smartwatch, I think this one, you definitely have to check out this guy. So right now, we're going to be peeling off this up your game thing, and we're going to start off the watch, guys. I'll be back in, say, maybe a minute, but yeah, peeling off all those stickers. And I'm just going to set up the watch very quickly so we can go through a couple of cool stuff on the watch. Let's go! Alright guys, so I finally got the watch set up and I must tell you, it just looks even better. Now take a look at this watch face. We do have very nice watch faces for the T-Rex 2. I'm going to be showing you guys a couple more watch faces. Again, just to reiterate, this video is sort of a hands-on first look kind of thing. There's no, review here. The review will be in approximately like 2 weeks because I'm going to test it out. But let's take a look at this watch faces. So we have very cool watch faces here that are made specially for the T-Rex 2. I'm going to start with the default one. This is the most basic one. The first one that came in the watch is also the one that's on the advertisement. If we go on further, notice that we do have a couple of animated ones as well. This one here looks particularly sporty. Again, I must really show you guys how similar it is, and I actually found another black and gold, G-Shock smartwatch here. Alright, so let's not deviate from that. Okay, show you guys a couple more watch faces. Again, moving on along, we have a couple more. This one doesn't look that good. I actually installed one and I think it looks perfect for this AMAZFIT T-Rex 2. This one here, guys. It looks fantastic. You have the, the dials here. Again, it's actually quite responsive. The display here is very responsive. Like, just check it out. When I just glide my finger across, it is super smooth without any delays whatsoever. Very impressed there. Now we're going to take a much more closer look at the black and gold watch. The materials at the front here are a glossy black, very nice. I love that. Although if you notice on the real G-Shock, it is sort of a matte-ish materials, but this glossy black looks nice. In terms of the buttons, you have 4 buttons, and again, you have those textured buttons here that makes you very easy to find the buttons. It feels amazingly built. In terms of the straps, we do have this sort of like, I'm not sure what they call it, like shark fins going on here, which looks, you know, very rugged as well. And again, these straps are also very comfortable. But I noticed that previously on the T-Rex Pro, this is all very, you know, very soft. But this one here has sort of like a more rigid kind of feel. So yep, just thought I should point that out. Well, apart from that, I should mention a couple of basic features. Like I mentioned earlier on, you have that long battery life, 10 days battery life, so I'm expecting approximately, say, 1 week, you know, with this guy here. Apart from that, you also have your typical heart trackers, you know, your heart rate tracking, your sleep tracking, SpO2 tracking, all those very basic stuff. In terms of the workout modes, according to AMAZFIT, they have over 100 or was it 150 different activities. You know, the GPS is supposed to be even more stronger here. I'll definitely be testing this out and I'll post a full review in approximately 2 weeks to come, guys. 2 weeks for that. Apart from that, yes, this is just my first impressions. Again, a very beautiful looking watch here. The best, in my opinion, the best smartwatch looks for today. Alright guys, thank you for staying all the way till the end. Let me know what you think about this black and gold AMAZFIT T-Rex 2. Have you bought one? The price is going for RM799 here in Malaysia. I'll put some links down below if you want to get that. Of course, there is also like a promo code or something down there, so go check that out. But yeah, let me know what you think about the AMAZFIT T-Rex 2. Let me know what you want me to test out with this bad boy here. And of course, I'll see all of you guys in the next one. Stay safe, everybody. Bye.